Click cell F5. Cell F5 contains a data validation rule, limiting cell entries to whole numbers ranging from 1 to 5. You want to create a customized error alert message for this rule. Click the Data tab on the ribbon. In the Data Tools group, click the Data Validation button. The Data Validation dialog box opens with the Settings tab active. The Settings tab displays the validation criteria for the current rule. Click the Error Alert tab. You will customize the error alert properties by specifying an error style, title, and message. Click the Style arrow. You can choose from 3 error styles: Stop, Warning, and Information. Click Stop. The Stop error style prevents users from entering invalid data into a cell. Click the Title text box and type Input Error in the text box. Click the Error Message text box and type Value must be a whole number from 1 to 5 in the text box. Click OK. The dialog box closes. If a user tries to enter an invalid entry in cell F5, your customized error message will display.